Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to reset YouTube feed. Now first of all, open the YouTube application inside your mobile phone, and once you open the application, let me just close this one. And yeah, once you open the application, so just click on the profile button from the most right corner like this one. So once you click on the profile button from the right corner, so just click on the settings, which is on the upper right corner. Just click on settings, and inside account you will see multiple options like general, switch account, family center, notification, purchases, and manage all history. That is where you need to click on manage all history. And once you click on manage all history, that will take you to your Google account where all your history of YouTube is saved. As you can see, like my currently it is set to auto delete within 36 months. So what you can do is you can just see this option called delete. Just click on this delete button, and you can see three options: delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. Just click on delete all time, and once you click on delete all time, after that it will automatically like erase all your history, or you can say all your cache which are being saved on YouTube. And once you do that, make sure to restart your YouTube. And once you restart your YouTube, all your cache or your all your history will be clear, and you will see totally a new interface on the YouTube. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do that.